Hey, what's up guys, it's Paxton here, and welcome back to another video guys. And today, in this video, I am going to be doing another Photoshop tutorial. I know, one after the other, right? So, a lot of people want to know how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So, that's what I thought I would do. So, yeah, I'm going to be making a YouTube thumbnail, and I guess, so as you guys can see here on screen, got Photoshop open, and so we're gonna just go here. Just ignore that, all right? And why do I have my headphones on? Is because I listen to music when I do this. So, so let's just type in PewDiePie, and let's get a picture from PewDiePie. All right, gonna go up here to File, okay. Okay, you guys see this? Gonna go up here to File, right? You guys still with me? File, New, and so I set one as preset, but I'll do thumbnail. All right. I don't know if I spelled that right, but then yes, you want your width to be 1280, and that's 1280 pixels by 720 for the height. So that's what you do. All right. And resolution you want 300, so if you do you can like print it or something, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I don't know, but then just click OK. Now that we have this, we're gonna go File, Open, and we're gonna get the one picture that we wanted. So we did, boom, we did this PewDiePie one, right? Look at that handsome man, it's PewDiePie. All right. And you know what? Let's get his bro fist, PewDiePie logo, right? Now open, and where is it? So it's a bro fist, guys. Oh, there it is. All right. Now we open that up. Okay. So now, here, wait. Fuck's sakes. Okay, sorry about that. Now that we have these two images, we got the PewDiePie, right? And we got the Brofest. But I think I might, instead of having this, I might get a different one of PewDiePie's full head. PewDiePie. Alright, guys, I'm back. So, as you guys can see, I got a different image. The other one didn't have the full head, and I want the full head. So, we have this one, right? And we have this one. And then we have our blank. So, what we're going to do first is going to Control A, okay? Remember, Control A on Windows. Control C, okay? Control C it to copy it. Then come over here, Control V. So, then we have the whole picture. But then, I'm just because I want to feel lazy, and just because I am lazy, I'm gonna go the quick select tool, because this is way easier. And Alt to zoom in, that's what I do. I just use Alt to zoom in. So then we get the fixed shape of Mr. PewDiePie here, right? Mr. PewDiePie. And alright, so let's just get his hair. Boom. Beautiful. Perfect, man. Alright. Copy, then paste it. Then this one, let's just no, go away. No. Cancel. Move this one. Oh my god. You know what, let's just block this one out. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Screw it. Let's just delete that. Alright. Now we get into the boring stuff, and what I like to do is that, like, especially if I do cutout like this, which I always do, let's be honest, I always go in with the eraser after and like just fine it out. Alright. There we go, guys. So now we have the nice, beautiful looking PewDiePie. And then, so we go Control A. Oh, wait, no, actually Control D. And we just, since we're still on PewDiePie, there we go. Just move them. And actually, you know what? Do you know what I want to do? Instead of keeping PewDiePie like this, instead of keeping him like, I'm gonna go over here, Control A, Control C, Control V to paste this. All right. So now that this is pasted. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, guys, this might seem a bit crazy. I know. This might seem a bit crazy, but it's not. Okay, just trust me. So with the PewDiePie, we're gonna go Control T, right? And then we're just gonna put that right there, just right on that thing there. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is gonna go flip horizontally. Whoa! What happened? Paxton, did you see what happened? Yes, I did. We flipped him. And now he's looking that way. But to flip him back, we can just redo that. Just then flip horizontally. And boom, there's the beautiful PewDiePie again. So it just flips it, guys. So for this one, I think we are gonna go with the flip. We're gonna go with the flip. Gonna flip him back the other way. Flip horizontally. There we go. So yes, we're gonna keep him like this. And probably Control T. Make sure you press Shift and just widen him out, just like so, guys. Yes, there we go. So he looks like this. Now, do we want a background? Hell yeah, we want a background. Hell yeah. So what we're gonna do for the background is, I guess we will open, and let's go this. Okay. Let's just open up this. Control A, Control C, Control V. Boom. Pasted background. Looks beautiful. Boom. Look, see that beautiful background? We're just gonna Control T that background now. Now we're gonna just enlarge it, right? The reason why is because we don't want that bright light there. So we're just gonna move it. We're just gonna move it just a bit, just a bit, just like that. Except until where we want it. So yes, like that. That looks beautiful. Now we will get back to these later. And yes, I know. Whoa, there's 3. Paxton, what's going on? Well, I will tell you. So we're just gonna click on this, right? And then we're gonna go outer glow. And with this outer glow, gonna go and let's change it to a white outer glow. All right. Range, drop that. Size, guess do that. Opacity, yes. Spread. Let's just move that. Boom. That looks good. Okay. That looks good. PewDiePie looks good. Yes. Beautiful man. Mwah. Smooches. All right. Now we're gonna go over to this one. Okay. We're gonna come over to this, to the Brofist, and we're gonna do the exact same thing as we did for the PewDiePie. So, gonna go like that. Gonna go like that. Gonna go like that. And we're just gonna fix up, I guess, a little bit of around it. Okay, just gonna fix it up a bit. And now, here's the PewDiePie Brofist. Now, what we're gonna do, guys, gonna enlarge it. Okay? Boom. Just like so. PewDiePie. It's Mr. PewDiePie, Mr. PewDiePie. And to rotate it, as you guys can see, like when I'm here, this moves it to rotate it. It moves out here, and it, like, you can just go like that. Just go like that. See, it's really nice. It's really nice to move it. And go like that. Boom, brofist, sideways. There we go. Looks good. What do we want to do now? Well, let me tell you. So we got this nice background, right? I think we're gonna keep it, that nice background. But what we're gonna do over here is we're gonna put, let's go text. What text am I in right now? Let's just, get rid of this text. Got this really nice one. It's from defont.com. I'll put the link in the description. But anyway, I'm gonna go with Edo SZ. You can find this on defont.com, so just go to there. I'll put a link in the description to defont.com, alright? Anyway, we go I love my fans. Alright. And oh Jesus. Let's just go I love my fans, right guys? And we're gonna change that to, what's PewDiePie's signature color? You guys know it, it's the blue. It's a nice blue. Like that, maybe? Yes. Alright. I love my fans. And oh jeez, okay. Might oof. Alright. Now we're gonna go over here. Outer glow. We're gonna add an outer glow. But Paxton, why are we gonna add an outer glow to the text? Because it looks cool, okay? Now opacity, just get rid of that. Range, get rid of that. Spread, we want to spread that. Alright, there we go. Boom. See? I love my fans right there. And then Mr. PewDiePie. Let's go down to him. Control T. Just shrink him a bit, okay? Just shrink him a bit. Actually, no. Like that. Like that. And there we go. Then let's go back up to the I love my fans. Control T. And actually, boom. Let's just, instead of pressing the one thing that I usually press, I'm not pressing it to make it go like that. Now, tilt that a bit. Shift. PewDiePie, do you love your fans? They're using you in videos, like me. Alright. Boom. I love my fans. Right there. I think it looks pretty good. Yes. That is it. And then, what you do from there? You go to File. Oh, you guys know this. You go to File. Oh, well, I do at least. I go Save As. Go PNG. Oh god. Thumbnail. Sure. Let's go save that to the desktop. Save. Okay. And should be done saving now. PewDiePie, go away. Let's go here. And it should open up. Boom. There we go, guys. There is the thumbnail we just created. I love my fans by PewDiePie. Wow. This was a fun video. If you guys enjoyed it, I guess please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family and everybody. And I guess I'll see all you dudes in the next video. And again, sorry I'm being a bit quiet. It's because people are probably asleep and my sister has school tomorrow. So yeah. Anyway, peace out, guys. Woohoo!